Good morning, students. Now let us start with the new chapter of standard 11, that is arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression, I think you all are aware with this topic because we have done this in standard 10 also. Just a bit advanced form we have to read in standard 11. But all the basic things and all the terms which is related with the chapter is the same that we have done in standard 10. So let us start to revise a bit from standard 10, then we will come to the questions that we have to solve in standard 11. So see, at first in arithmetic progression, the first term is sequence. What is the meaning of sequence? In standard 5 or 6, sometimes it's happened that you will get some of the number like 4, then 7, then 10, 13, so and so, and then suppose 5, 10, 15, 20, so and so. Sometime it is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, so and so. And you will be asked to fill the blank, that what will be the next number. So at that time we always try to find out that what is the relation or what is the pattern the numbers given are following. Like here you can see that it is 4 and then 7 and then 10 and 13. Means all the number are increasing by 3. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13. So in this way we came to know that we have to add 3 in each number. So we will get 16, then 19, then 21 and so and so. In same way, second number, in second pattern, see 5, 10, 15, 20 are there, means all the numbers are increasing by 5, 5. So we can say the next will be 25, 30, 35 and all. Now here you can observe that it is 2, 4, then 8. Means it is getting multiple of 2. 2 2s are 4, then 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, then 64, 64 2s are 128. And so and so. So in this way you will get the collection of number which will follow a fixed pattern, and with the help of that pattern you can continue with the collection. You can write the next number of that collection. So this succession of the number arranged in definite order according to a certain given rule is called sequence. Okay. A succession of numbers arranged in a definite order according to a certain rule is called a sequence. Okay, so the number arranged in definite order. See, you can see these all numbers are arranged in some order and they are following some rule. Rule means either they are increasing by 3 or they are increasing by 5 or they get multiplied with 2 and so and so. So I hope this sequence is clear to you. Then whenever we are writing the sequence, the number which will come at the nth position, like suppose I am increasing this and I am asking what will be the number here at nth place, that is said to be the nth term or the general term which is denoted by an. This is nth term or general term. Okay, suppose I am asking that what is the 20th term, what will be the 20th term of this sequence. तो या तो आप ऐसे फाइंड करोगे 4, 7, 10, 30 ऐसे करते करते 20th पोजीशन पे जाओगे, और we will use some formula and that formula we will discuss in this chapter only. Okay, so this 20th term is nth term, or you can say the general term. If we know the nth term of any of the sequence, we can find any of the term of that sequence. Okay, see how. Suppose it is given that nth term nth term of a sequence is 2n. Okay, and if it will be asked that what will be its fifth term, then fifth term means we have to substitute n equals to 5 in this nth term. So it will be 2 into 5, that is 10. In same way, if anyone will ask you what will be its 100th term, so it will be 2 into 100, that is 200. So see, if you know the nth term of any of the sequence, you can find out any number at any position with the help of this nth term very quickly. You don't have to follow the sequence. ऐसे क्या होता कि अगर हम ऐसे स्टार्ट करते 2 4 6 8 और हम आपसे पूछे कि 50th पोजीशन पे क्या आएगा, तो you will count and then it will take at least 5 to 10 minutes. But if you know the nth term of this sequence is 2n, you just put the value 50 in place of n, you will get 100. So I hope this nth term is clear to you. And this nth term we are representing either by tn or this an or an, anyway. Okay, so this n is representing the number of position, the number of place. Like if tn is 50n, and if we have to find t1, it means we have to put n equals to 1 here, so it will be 50 into 1, that is 50. In same way, if we have to find t3, we will just put n equals to 3, it will be 150. Okay, now sequence can be of two types. First finite and second one is infinite. Okay, finite sequence and infinite sequence. If in a sequence the number of terms are finite, means you know that what will be the last number of that sequence, then that sequence is said to be finite sequence. But if in a sequence the number of the terms are not fixed, means they can go till infinity, we can count and count and count, you are not able to find the last number, the last, what will be the last value of the sequence, then that sequence is said to be infinite. Now when we add the terms of sequence, we get a series. Suppose I have a sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and if I add all this term 2, 4, 6 plus 8 plus 10, then it is a series. Okay, and this series can be also finite or infinite. Like here, the number of the element, or you can say the collection, we can count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there in this sequence. So it is finite series. And if you are not able to count, it has endless numbers, then it is infinite series. Okay, now let us discuss some example based on this nth term. See, suppose it is given that a sequence is given by a rule an equals to 2n plus 1, and the question is find first 5 terms. Find 5 terms of this sequence. So now what we will do, an is given 2n plus 1. The first term is we have to find a1. So just 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. Then second term is a2, that is 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. Third term is a3, 2 into 3 plus 1, 6. And fourth term is 2 into 4 plus 1, that is 9. And fifth term is 2 into 5 plus 1, that is 11, so and so. So in this way, if the nth term of any of the series is given, you can find out its terms, either starting 5 terms or 17th term or 18th term, any term, whatever you want to find of the series or whatever the question is asking. Okay, now come to the next topic of this chapter, that is progression. Progression. It is a sequence in which each term except the first one differ from its preceding term by a constant. See, what is a progression? A sequence in which each term except the first one differ from its preceding term by a constant. अगर हम किसी भी सीक्वेंस के दो कंटिन्यूअस टर्म का डिफरेंस फाइंड करें पहले को छोड़कर, ठीक है, पहला के पीछे कुछ तो होगा नहीं, और अगर सेम डिफरेंस मिल रहा है देन इट इज सेड टू बी अ प्रोग्रेशन. Like if I'm writing 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, if I subtract 3 from 6, I will get 3. If I'll subtract 9 from 6, I will get 3. Again 3. See, the common difference between each term, okay, is same. So this sequence is said to be the progression. Okay, and this constant difference is